Welcome back to Car Reviews, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026-27 Cadillac Celestiq SUV, a vehicle that represents Cadillac's bold vision for ultra-luxury in the electric age. From the moment you see the Celestiq SUV, it's clear this is not a typical luxury SUV. The design is dramatic, futuristic, and unmistakably Cadillac. Up front, you get a wide, illuminated grille design paired with razor-sharp LED lighting that gives the SUV a powerful road presence. The long, sculpted body lines and sleek roof profile make it look elegant rather than bulky, while massive wheels and a confident stance remind you that this is still an SUV built to dominate the road. Step inside, and this is where the Celestiq SUV really separates itself from everything else in its class. Cadillac has focused heavily on craftsmanship and customization. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a car interior, with premium leather, real metal accents, and hand-finished details everywhere you look. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless experience. Rear passengers are treated like first-class travelers, with individual screens, premium materials, and plenty of legroom to relax in complete comfort. Being a Celestiq, performance is all about smooth, effortless power. This SUV is expected to feature an advanced all-electric drivetrain with dual motors and all-wheel drive, delivering instant torque and quiet acceleration. The focus here isn't aggressive sportiness, but refined performance that feels strong, controlled, and incredibly smooth. Long-distance driving should be stress-free thanks to a large battery pack designed for impressive real-world range and fast charging capability. Technology is another area where the Celestiq SUV aims to lead. Cadillac's latest driver assistance systems are expected to be front and center, including advanced hands-free driving features on compatible highways. The infotainment system is packed with connectivity options, voice control, and over-the-air updates, ensuring the vehicle stays modern long after you drive it off the lot. High-end audio, ambient lighting, and personalized driver profiles all work together to create a truly bespoke driving experience. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026-27 Cadillac Celestiq SUV is expected to sit at the very top of Cadillac's lineup, targeting buyers who want something rare, electric, and unapologetically luxurious. This isn't about mass production, it's about making a statement. So if you're looking for an electric SUV that blends cutting-edge technology, handcrafted luxury, and bold American design, the Cadillac Celestiq SUV could be one of the most exciting vehicles of its era. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Car Reviews for more future car content.